Let's see how to connect Google domain with Hostinger.
At first we will add our Google domain to Hostinger hosting, and then we will change the DNS records of our Google domain. To add our domain to Hostinger hosting, from the Edge panel dashboard, click on Manage from here. Now select the websites drop down and then click on Add Website. Now click on Create a Website. Click on Next. Now select empty php/html website. Now add your Google domain here. Now select your Google domain and it will show you a notification. This domain is registered at another provider. You will have to verify you on it. Now click on Next from here. And as you can see that our Google domain is now adding to the Hostinger hosting. And as you can see that our Google domain is now added to the Hostinger hosting. Now we just need to change the DNS records of our Google domain. Now from here click on Hosting Plan, select Plan Details, and here you will see your website IP address. Just copy it from here. After that, log into your Google Domains account and then select your domain. Once your domain is selected, click on DNS from here, and here on the top you will see that default name servers are active. But from here we are going to click on Manage Custom Records, and here we just need to add 2 simple records, and after that our Google domain will be connected to Hostinger hosting. So first record is the A record, so we will leave the host name as it is, and from the type we will select A record. For the TTL we will select 3600, and for the data we will add our Hostinger IP address here. So copy this IP address from here and paste it here. After that we just need to add one CNAME record. So for the host name we will add www, then for the type we will select CNAME, and for the TTL we will add 3600, and for the data we need to add our domain name here, like yourdomain.com. After adding these 2 records, just click on Save from here, and in this way your Google domain will be connected to Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.